Imagine you have 500 shillings. You need to buy items that cost less than 500. How do you write that mathematically? That's what inequalities help us do. An inequality compares two values that are not equal. These four symbols mean less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. We solve inequalities like equations. Subtract 3 from both sides. The inequality sign stays the same direction, so x is greater than 4. But here is the golden rule. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, you flip the inequality sign. Negative 2x greater than 6 becomes x less than negative 3. Example 1. Solve 3x minus 5 is less than or equal to 7. First, add 5 to both sides. We get 3x is less than or equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3. X is less than or equal to 4. On the number line, we draw a closed dot at 4 because it includes 4, then shade left. Example 2. Solve 7 minus 2x is greater than 3. Subtract 7 from both sides. We get negative 2x is greater than negative 4. Divide by negative 2 and flip the sign. X is less than 2. On the number line, draw an open dot at 2 because it does not include 2, then shade left. Common mistake. Many students forget to flip the sign when dividing by a negative. Remember, negative x greater than 3 becomes x less than negative 3. Always flip. Memory aid. Open dot means not included. Closed dot means included. And remember, if you divide by a negative, flip the sign. Say it. Negative. Flip. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com to access notes and practice questions. See you next time.